Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? So today I have a Valentine's makeup tutorial for you guys. I'm not sure what exactly I'm going to be doing, but I know it's something for Valentine's. So before we start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, and of course this video a thumbs up, and let's get this tutorial started. And I'm going to be starting with my Too Faced Hangover Primer. So I'm going to be coming in with this foundation right here. It's from Rimmel London, and it's in the color Sand. And for the brows, you guys already know the products I use for my brows. And I'm just going to go ahead and do my brows very quick. So I'm going to be using this one right here from LA Girls. And I'm going to use this to clean underneath my brows. And of course, for my eyeshadow base. And this is in the color Porcelain. I think I put a lot of concealer on this. So I'm going to come in with my Too Faced Peach Powder, and it's a translucent. And I'm just going to go ahead and just set my lids. So I'm going to be coming with the Maybelline in the color Sand, and I'm just going to go ahead and conceal underneath my eyes. I'm going to get my sponge. I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything out very quick. So I'm going to come in with my Peach Powder translucent powder, and of course I'm going to set underneath my eyes. So I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face. Use the MAC Give Me Sun, and I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up my face. So I'm just going to come in with my Equal Tool brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend my bronzer up very quick. So the powder, I'm just going to leave it there, and I'm going to remove that towards the end. So next I'm going to come in with my blush, and the blush I'm going to be using is from Tarte, and it's the color Glisten. So it's this beautiful blush right here. So I'm coming in with this tool, and this is from why did I say, I'm gonna say Maybelline, from Bare Minerals. So I'm gonna be coming in with the Maybelline in the Fit Me in the color Light and Medium, which is a number 20, and I'm gonna be using this just to clean underneath. So I'm going to be coming in with my James Charles X Morphe palette. I'm going to be coming in with this one right here, this light pink one. But I'm going to be coming in with the Morphe N4401. So I'm just going to get that pink color, and I'm just going to place it. We're going to create something nice for Valentine's. So like that. So we're gonna leave it now. We're gonna go to the other eye very quick. So far it's looking nice. So next I'm gonna be coming in with this pink color right here, and with this Equal Tool brush, and it's like double-sided, and it's this. It just looks like this. You can use any brush, it doesn't matter. But this is the color I'm gonna be. This is the brush I'm gonna be using, and this color. Look at it. Ooh, I'm kind of scared of using it, but I know it's gonna look beautiful, so I'm just gonna go ahead and YOLO. I'm actually gonna place it all over my lid. My heart just skipped a beat. Oh my goodness, it's stunning. I love it. So I'm gonna come in with my Sigma brush, E38 brush, and it looks just like this. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend like here. So I'm going to come in back with the Morphe M441, and I'm going to get that first color that we use as our transition color, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend right here with the Morphe M507 right here. Look at how cute this brush is. And that color Escape. And I'm just gonna put it right here. Just on the outer corner, as you can see. Right there. So right now I'm just gonna curl my lashes and we'll be back. I'm gonna be coming in with these lashes, and these are from Tarte, and these are in the style, I believe it's Goddess. And I'm gonna be coming in with my duo glue. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for the lashes to get the glue to get a little tacky on the lashes. But next I'm gonna be coming in with my, you guys already know, my favorite eyeliner, and it's from Molly. This eyeliner is good, especially if your eyes are very watery like mine. This is the only one I mess with, and it is waterproof. So I'm gonna do the top very quick. You guys, so these are the lashes. Aren't they like stunning? Like, okay, so now I can actually see where I need to add more color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add more. So I am mixing the two colors together, which is Escape and Skip. I'm mixing these colors together. So I'm just gonna add these on the bottom. So now I'm just gonna come in with this brush right here. They have no name, but I'm just gonna go ahead and remove all the fallout I had. I'm gonna come in with my Morphe setting. I should have said it first. I'm gonna come in with my Morphe setting spray, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my face again. And for the highlighter, I'm going to be coming in with my Carly Bible, I believe it's called, palette from BH Cosmetics. So I'm going to be getting these two colors. I'm going to mix these together. So I'm going to be coming in with my Morphe M510. You know what? I'm going to be coming in with this color. It's a highlighter. Let me see how this will look. Ooh, y'all, much better. And then for the inner corner, this color right here, and this color is called Artistry, like a purpley color. I get a little bit of my Smashbox setting spray. Oh yes. Fine. I'm going to be coming in with something a little bit different for the lips, and it's this one right here, and it's the Kat Von D, and it's the color, I don't even know the name of the color, you guys. You don't have to add this color, you can add any lip color that you want, but I'm going to go ahead and add this. So I'm just going to go ahead on the top. I'm going to be adding this color right here, and this from Profusion. It's like a very like a pinky kind of like color. It looks like this, and I think this will look nice. So I'm gonna add this, and this smells so good. It smells like pan dulce. So you guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I know it's a little bit different for a lot of people wearing colors like these, but I think it looks stunning. Yeah. So subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this tutorial. Comment down below. And I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you guys till my next tutorial. Bye.
With my dogs just being so loud. Do you guys not hear my dogs? They go so crazy outside. Oh, y no me dijeron que tenía pintura en